Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the exercise 2.2 word problem. Okay. Exercise 2.2 word problem. Start from 4. The cost of 6 2/3 meter of iron wire is rupees 16 2/3. Find the cost of 1 meter of wire. Okay. So 6 2/3 meter of iron wire is rupees 16 2/3 is given. Find the cost of அப்படினா ஒரு மீட்டருக்கு எவ்வளவு அப்படிங்கறத தான் क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சரியாமா? So given what are the data are given? Cost of 6 2/3 meter wire is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 16 2/3. Okay, and then cost of, so mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. So 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20 20/3 meter wire. Here also change to the mixed fraction. So 16 3s are 48 48 plus 2 50 50/3 rupees 50/3. And next cost of 1 meter wire is equal to, what we do, divided by this one divided by this. Okay, so 50 rupees divided by cost of 20/3. So it can return 50/3. Move to the numerator, change the multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 20/3 is 3/20. Reciprocal of 20/3 is 3/20 is equal to 3 3 will be cancelled, 0 0 cancel. So 5/2 it can return in the mixed fraction of 1 2 2 2 2s are 4 4 plus 1 5. So 2 1/2 rupees is it. Cost of 1 meter wire is rupees 2 1/2 2 1/2. So thus the cost of 1 meter wire is 2 1/2 2 1/2. By what number should be divided 5/12? By what number should we divide 5/12? Show that the quotient is 1 17/18. So let us consider the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. Then what is given? The number divided by, so that number we have considered x. X is divided by which number? 5/12 is equal to, we get 1 17/18. Okay, so mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. 18 ones are 18 18 plus 17 35/18. Here x is here, so it can return like this, is it? So division mode of the multiplication. So x equal to 35/18 into multiply by 12/5. So it cancel in 5 table. 5 7s are 35, and then it cancel in the 6 table. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. So now multiply the numerator. 7 2s are 14. Here 1. So 3 1s are 3. So answer is 14/3. 14/3. Thus, what is the result? Thus, the number is, thus the number is 14 by 3. 14 by 3. Okay. Now see this sixth problem. The product of two number is 28 by 81. If one is 14 by 27, find the other. Find the other. Sixth one. So product of two number is 28 by 81. So let A and B and and B are the product of the numbers. That A and B are the product of the numbers. Then one number B we have considered A. Okay, is equal to 14 by 27 is given. 14 by 27 is given. Find the other. Now substitute. Okay, what is the value? The product of two number is equal to, what is the value given? 28 by 81. 28. The product of the two numbers. So that is, product of two numbers means A into B is equal to 28 by 81 is given. This one is given. Now substitute the value of A. What is the value? 14 by 27 into B is equal to 28 by 81. Now stay here B. 14 by 27 come to this side. That side is multiplication. That is a multiplication. So come to this side, division. So already here 28 by 81 divided by 14 by 27. 14 by 27. Okay. So it cancel. So it can written in the reciprocal 27 by 14. 27 by 14. It cancel in which table? 9 table. 9 3s are 27, 9 9s are 81. It's also cancel in 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 14 1s are 40 and then 40 2s are 28. So what we get? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So thus the another number is 2 by 3. Another number is 2 by 3. I hope you are understand the sixth problem. Now move to the seventh one. Seventh problem. The price of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 18 1 by 4. So 1 kg of sugar rate is rupees 18 1 by 4. How many kg of sugar can be bought for rupees 292? So அப்போ 292 rupeesக்கு எவ்வளவு kg of sugar வாங்க முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் question. Okay, I hope you are understand the question. Okay, the price of 1 kg ஓட ரேட் இவ்வளவு கொடுத்தாங்க. அப்புறம் rupees கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. எத்தனை kg அவ்வளவுக்கு வாங்க முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் question. Okay. See, given the price of 1 kg of sugar is equal to rupees 18 1 by 4. Okay, and then we have considered x kg. We didn't know that value. Okay, so we have considered unknown value. We have considered x. So x kg of sugar is equal to rupees 292 is given. That's also given. These are all given data. Okay, now x equal to, so what we do, 292 divided by இந்த அமௌண்ட்டை 1 kg குள்ளதை வச்சு டிவைட் பண்ணனா என்ன கிடைச்சிரும்? மொத்தம் எவ்வளவு kg அந்த ரூபீஸ்க்குள்ள வாங்க முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது கிடைச்சிரும். So the amount divided by 1 kg of sugar. So here is mixed fraction is given. You will change to the improper fraction. So 18 fours are 18 fours are, okay. 8 fours are 32. 4 ones are 4. So 72 plus 1 70. 73 by 4. 73 by 4 rupees. Okay. Now write divided in this place. 73 by 4. 73 by 4. Now write in the numerator 292. So denominator move to the numerator and division is there. So write in the reciprocal. Write in the reciprocal. So 4 by 73. It cancel in 73 table. Is it? You will calculate here 3, here 2. Which number multiply by 3? We get the value of the ones place is 2. Just a simple calculation. Okay. 292. Here 73 is given. Okay. If you need, you will put the long division method. A small trick here, value is 2. So which number multiplied by 3? We get the ones place is 2. So check it. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So you will multiply 73 by 4 times. Okay, so 4 threes are 12, remaining 1, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 1 is 29. We got the answer. So 73 ones are 73, fours are 292, 292. Now multiply the numerator by numerator. So 4 fours are 16 kg. So thus 16 kg of sugar can be bought for rupees 292. 292. I hope you all understood. Okay. Now see the 8th problem. Okay. Now see the 8th problem. The area of a triangle is, area of the triangle is 65 1 by 4 meter square. If the breadth is 5 7 by 16 meter, find its length. Find it is already you know the area of the rectangle formula. What is the formula? Area of the rectangle L into B square unit. L into B square unit. Okay. See, given the area of a rectangle is equal to 65 1 by 4 meter square. Okay. And breadth value is, what is the breadth value? Breadth is equal to, breadth B, considered B, okay, is equal to 5 7 by 16 meter. 5 7 by 16 meter. Find its length. Find its length. That is, area of the rectangle formula L into B equal to, here mixed fraction is given. So change to the improper fraction. So 65. So multiply these values. 65 4s are 5 4s are 22. 4 20 remaining 2. Okay, not at 22. And 6 4s are 24. 26 already here. So what is the value? 261 by 4 meter square. 4 meter square. And here also breadth in the mixed fraction. That's also changed to the improper fraction. 16 5s are 16 5s are 5 6 are 30. 80. Okay. So 80 plus 7, 87 by 16 meter. So mixed fraction 5 7 by 16 convert to the improper fraction. So 87 by 16 meter. So the area of the rectangle formula L into B square unit is equal to, what is the value L into B value was? Here write square units is equal to, change. So 261 by 4 meter square. Already you know the value of breadth, is it? So L into apply the value of breadth value. So 87 by 16 meter is equal to 261 by 4 meter square. So L stay here, here multiplication. So come to the side, this value will be changed the divisions. Okay, so 261 by 4 divided by, okay, 87 by 16, 87 by 16. So now here write 261 by 4, write in the reciprocal. So 16 by 87. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Here 87. Which number multiply the ones place? We get the ones place of the result in 1. Okay, in the number in the 7 ஆல multiply பண்ணும்போது one's value is 1. You will check. Okay, so 3 times of 7 is 21. So one's place is 1. So 87 multiplied by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So 2, 8 threes are 3 eights are 28 plus 2 26. Okay, so 261 we got. How many times multiply 87? 3 times. So 3 times of multiplication of 87 we get the 261. So multiply 87 ones are, and here 87 3s are 261. Here 4, here is 3. So multiplying the numerator. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. The denominator is 1. So need not put in this value. So L is equal to 12 meter. Okay, area only measured by square units. Square units. Here length, breadth, all the single values, measurements are measured by the given units. Okay, so thus the length of the rectangle is equal to 12 meter. 12 meter. Okay, now see the 9th problem. What is given in the 9th problem? If 28 trousers of equal size can be made from 63 meter of cloth, what length of cloth is required for one trouser? So 28 trousers of equal size can be made from 63 meter of cloth. 63 meter cloth 20 trousers வந்து மேக் பண்றாங்க. இதுல இருந்து 63 meter of cloth ல இருந்து. Okay ma'am. What length of cloth is required for one? So just to divide the cloth value divided by number of trousers. Okay, so what is given here? Given the cloth needed for 28 trousers. Trousers is equal to 63 meter. 63 meter. And then cloth needed for one trouser is equal to, what we do, 63 meter divided by number of pieces of trouser. Okay, 28. So it cancel in which table? 3 tables. A 7 table we have directly cancel, is it? 7 4s are, and then 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63, and then 7 4s are 28. So 9 by 4 meter. 9 by 4 meter. Okay. So it can written in the mixed fraction. So how do you write? 4 2s are 8 plus 1. Okay. So another one of our word 2 1/4 meter. Thus the record cloth of one trouser. Record cloth of one is equal to one trouser is equal to 2 1/4 meter. Now see the 10th problem. Okay, what is the 10th one? After traveling the 40 kilometer, Ramu found that he had covered only 4/5 of his total journey. Find the length of his whole journey. Okay, so இது ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறாங்க. ராமு வந்து எவ்வளோ ட்ராவல் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் செக் பண்ணுறாரு. 40 கிலோமீட்டர் ட்ராவல் பண்ணிட்டாரு. ஆஃப்டர் ட்ராவலிங் தி 40 கிலோமீட்டர் ராமு ஃபவுண்ட் தட் ஹி ஹேட் கவர்ட் ஒன்லி 4/5 ஆஃப் ஹிஸ் டோட்டல் ஜர்னி. பண்ணுற ஜேர்னியில் எவ்வளோ கவர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? 4/5 பார்ட் ஆர் கம்ப்ளீட்டட். ஸோ ஃபைண்ட் தி லென்த் ஆஃப் ஹிஸ் ஹோல் ஜேர்னி. அப்போது ஹோல் ஜேர்னி எவ்வளவு அப்படிங்கிறதான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ 10th one. Let the total journey be x. Okay, let the total journey be x kilometer. If Ramu travel 40 kilometer and covers 4/5 of journey, 5 of the journey. Okay, then what we do? 4/5 of the total journey of x. Total journey we have considered the x. Okay, total journey we have considered the x. So the covered distance is 4/5 of the journey of the total journey is equal to how many kilometers are given? 40 kilometers. He checked after 40 kilometers. Okay, so 4/5 into x is equal to 40. Okay, you will directly cancel. Okay, numerator will be cancelled in another one of the method. 4 ones are 4. Okay, and then 5 is equal to 10. It move into the numerator. Denominator is there, so move to the numerator. So 50 kilometer. 50. How many kilometers? The whole journey total is 50 kilometer. Thus the length of the his whole journey is, thus the length of his whole journey is 50 kilometer. 50 kilometer. Okay, and next 11th one. 11th one, what is given? In a school 3/5 of the students are girls. School irukku adala 3/5 of parts of students are girls. If the number of boys in a school is, numbers of boys is given. Okay, so number of boys in a school is 200. Okay, find the total number of students in a school. மொத்தம் அந்த ஸ்கூலில் எத்தனை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், நம்பர் ஆஃப் பாய்ஸ் இருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறது கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. பட் கேர்ள்ஸுக்கு வந்து நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்கல, ரேஷியோ இஸ் கிவன். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் தி வேல்யூ ஆஃப் தி கேர்ள்ஸ் ரேஷியோ. ஓகே, ஸோ யூ see let the total number of students be x. Total number of students be x. Okay, and another one, what are the data are given? Given the number of students, number of boys, sorry, number of boys is equal to how many of them? 200. Okay, and then now find out the total number of girls. Total number of girls, so ratio is given. What are the data are given? 3/5 of the students are girls ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So girls உடைய ratio எவ்வளவுமா? 3/5. Okay, so அப்போ listen, boys உடையது எவ்வளவா இருக்கும்? Total boys is equal to 3/5. Girls குள்ளத subtract பண்ணிட்டோம்னா we get the value of boys ratio. Boys ratio. So 2/5 part is boys. 2 by, but we know the value of boys, number of boys already we know that. So the number of, total number of we have considered. Okay, total number of girls is equal to 3/5 of x whole class. X means total number of students in a school, is it? Total number of students. So total number of students la 3/5 of them yaar girls அப்படிங்கறத கன்சிடர் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So here write number of girls, okay, is plus number of boys. Number of boys is equal to total number of students. Total number of students. So you know that number of girls is 3/5 of x plus number of boys already you know that value. Which value? 200 is equal to total number of students we have considered be x. Okay, so of means multiplication. So 3/5 into x plus 200 is equal to x. So now you move to the this portion to that side. Okay, so stay here 200 here. So x here plus value by using the transpose method minus 3/5 of x. Okay, here now take the LCM. So 5x minus 3x by 5. LCM is 5. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. So 5x minus 3x divided by 5. So subtract from 5x minus 3x, 2x by 5. Okay, I will write that side. 2x by 5. Here already 200. Already here in this side 200. Okay, it cancel in two tables. So 1 0 0. Now multiply by 5. So 100 into the denominator move to the side numerator. So 100 into 5 is equal to x. So 500. So x is equal to 500. Thus the total number of students in a school is 500. Okay. Thus the total number of in the school is 500. Okay. Now see the 12th problem. Sarita has, okay, you will do the homework. Okay, 12th one you will do the homework, and another one of the type I will do 13th problem. Divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by the difference. Okay. So 13th one, divide the sum of. So first find out the sum of values, sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3. So what is the meaning? Sum of means add these two fractions. So add 65 by 2 plus, that is 65 by 12 plus 8 by 3. So what is the LCM here? Two different unlike fractions are given. So in this place you should find out the LCM. So what is the LCM of 12 and 3? 12. Okay. So LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Right. Here already the denominator having the 12. So need not to multiply any number, just multiply by 1. Okay. Plus here 8 by 3. Which number multiply the denominator? We get the value of 12. 4. That number multiply the numerator also. Okay. Okay. Now simplify 65. 8 4s are 32. Here 12. Denominator is 12. Now added these two values, what we get? 65 plus 32. 65 plus 32. Add this value, 97 by 12. 97 by 12. The sum of value is 97 by 12. And by their, divide the sum of this value by their difference. So next to find out the difference of these two values. Okay. So difference of difference of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3. 65 by 12. So the difference means subtraction. So 65 by 12 minus 8 by 3. Here also the two different signs in a new denominator. So unlike fractions are given. In this place you should find out the LCM. So LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Okay. So 65, the same one, 65, 12 into numerator and denominator multiplied by 1 minus 8 divided by 3. The denominator and numerator which number? 4. Okay. So 65 minus 8 4s are 32 by 12. So now subtracted from 65 by 32, would we get 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 3 is 3 by 12. 3 by 33 by 12. Now see the question, divide the sum of value, divide பண்ணோமா இந்த வேல்யூவை by their difference. அதோடைய difference வச்சு நம்ம first sum of value கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம், next difference value கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, divide the sum of value divide பண்ணனுமா எதை வச்சு, அதோடைய difference வச்சு அப்படிங்கறது தான் question கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So divide. So what is the value of sum of value? 97 by 12 given, divide the sum of value by which value? Difference of their value. So 33 by 12. 33 by 12 is equal to, you know the division of fraction, is it? So division change to multiplying the fraction and reciprocal of the next term of the fraction, is it? So what is the reciprocal of 12 by 33? Okay, the reciprocal of 33 by 12 is 12 by 33. Now it cancel, 12 will be cancelled, is it? So answer is 97 by 3. Okay, so thus the division of the numbers 97 by 12 and 33 by 12 is equal to 97 by 33. Okay, that's it. And next final one, 14th problem. Okay, divide this the same method, but here give it sum and product is given. Sum and product is given. Okay, so divide the sum of 13 by 3 and 6 by 7 by the product of 2 by 7, and the previous problem give it the same number. Here two different kind of numbers are given. So first sum of number is different and product of numbers also differently given. So first calculate the sum of value of the first two numbers. Okay, so first what is given, sum of 13 by 3 and 6 by 7. First find the sum of these two values. Okay, given the sum of 13 by 3 and 6 by 7. 6 by 7. That meaning addition of 13 by 3 plus 6 by 7. Here the denominator are different. Two unlike fractions are given. So in this place you should find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 7? 21. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Here which number multiply the denominator, we get the value of 21, 7. So that number also multiply the numerator also. So 3 into 7 plus here 6 by 7. Which number multiply the denominator? 3. That same number multiply the numerator also. Multiply the numerators. 13 7s are 7 3s are 21, 7 ones are 9. So 91 by 21 plus 6 3s are 18 by 21. So now we got the like fraction, so we can easily add the numerator. So 91 plus 18, 109 by 21. This is the sum of value. And next to find out the product of values. So given product of 2 by 7 and 5 1 by 2 is given. Okay, so product of 2 by 7 and 5 1 by 2 means multiplying these two values. In this place mixed fraction is given, you should change the improper fraction. So product of 2 by 7 into change to the improper fraction. So 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. 11 by 2. So product means multiplication of the numbers these two. Okay, 2 by 7 into and 11 by 12. Okay, so now multiply 2 into 11, 22 by 7 2s are 14. Okay, so what is the condition is given, that divide the sum of value. So the sum of value in the number, divide the value. What is the value? 109, and by the product in the number, the product of number alla enna cheyi sollirukanga, divide panna sollirukanga. Okay, so division of sum by the product is equal to sum value was 109 by 21 division. Okay, you will put right like this, this like also is correct one. Okay, so 22 by 14. Okay, so what is the division fraction? Division by fraction is, how do you do? First write the first fraction and multiplying a fraction by a reciprocal of a fraction. That is the rule. Okay, so multiply 14 by 22. So it cancel in 7 table. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Okay, and also it's cancel in 2 table. 2 1s are 2 2, 1 1s are 11, 2s are as 22. Now we can write 109 by 11. Here 3 is also there. Okay, multiply right. 11 into 3. So 109 by 33. It can also written in the mixed fraction. So what is the mixed fraction? 33 3s are 99. Everyone known, is it? Added plus 10, we get the 109. Okay. So 3 10 by 33. That's it. I hope you all understand. Now see the homework. I hope everything fully completed. So only one problem homework. Okay. So homework problem in exercise 2.2, the 12th problem only. And then worksheet one and 2 fully, except VAT problem. We have completed the second unit. I hope you all understand what we learn in the second unit: fraction multiplication and division of fractions. Okay. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you will ask to me. I will explain. Thank you, students.